It is our glory if we spend our life and soul and our whole life on glorifying God, glorifying the Holy Lord, Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Prabhupada, Jaya 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 Guru, Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Prabhupada. Everybody sing and dance. Dance for Krishna. Haribo. Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva. Namo Om Vishnu Padaya, Krishna Prestaya Bhutale, Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami, Iti Namane Namo Om Vishnu Padaya, Krishna Prestaya Bhutale, Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami, Iti Namane Namaste Saraswati Devam Gauravani Pracharne Devasita Dunyavani Bhaktadani Sarane Namah
complete knowledge. So if you read Bhagavad Gita, you get complete knowledge. So what Bhagavan says, Idantu te guhyatamang parvakshami anasuyam. Bhagavan Krishna is teaching Arjuna. So in the 9th chapter he says, my dear Arjuna, I am now speaking to you the most confidential knowledge. Guhyatamam. Tamam means superlative. Positive, comparative and superlative. In Sanskrit, Tara Tama. Tara is comparative and Tama means superlative. So here Bhagavan says, the perfect personality of God says, Idantu te guhyatamam parvakshami. Now I am speaking to you the most confidential knowledge. Jnanam vijnanam sahitam. The knowledge is with full knowledge, not that an imagination. Jnanam vijnana sahitam. Vijnana means science, practical demonstration. So, jnanam vijnana sahitam. Just gatya, if you learn this knowledge, just gatya moksha se asubha. Asubha. Moksha se means you get liberation, and asubha means inauspicity. Inauspicity. So, our present life, at the present moment, present life means so long we possess this material body, it is full of inauspicity. Moksha se asubha. Asubha means inauspicity. So what is that confidential knowledge? Now Krishna says, again stressing, Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namini Gauratisi Namaha. Srila Rupa Goswami, when he met Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Prayag, there is a place, holy place in India, which is called Prayag. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after accepting his renounced order of sannyas, he went to Prayag and other holy places. So Srila Rupa Goswami, he was minister of the government, but he gave up everything and joined this Hare Krishna movement with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So when he first met and he offered this verse, Namo Mahavadannaya. Vadanna means the most magnanimous. Krishna Prema Pradayate. Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namini Gauratisi Namaha. To understand Krishna is very difficult job. Krishna has personally said in the Bhagavad Gita, Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschid jatati siddhaya. Out of many, many millions of persons, not only at this age, in the past also, Manusyanam sahasreshu, out of many millions of persons, kaschid jatati siddhaya, one is trying to become perfect. Generally, they have no knowledge what is perfection. Perfection they do not know. The perfection means to stop this process of birth, death, old age and disease. That is called perfection. Everyone is trying to be perfect, but they do not know what is perfection. Perfection means this, that when you are free from these four imperfections, what is that? Birth, death, old age and disease. Everyone, nobody wants to die, but there is forcefully, you must die. That is imperfect. But these rascals, they do not know. They think that we must die. But no, because you are eternal. You are not meant for death. But nature is forcing him, must that. Yes, Krishna asked that you rascal surrender unto me. You are all rascals, you surrender to Krishna. Then your life will be successful. That's it. This is the sum and substance of Krishna's instruction. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam bhaja. Oh, Krishna is not asking only Arjuna, he is asking all us, all rascals, that you are manufacturing so many things for becoming happy, you will never be happy. Rest assured. But surrender to me and I will make you happy. This is Krishna's mission. That's all. One line. So, what can be done? Krishna is offering all opportunities, and we, humble servant of Krishna, we are trying to preach it, but the rascals will not accept it. What can be done? That is difficult. They want to continue to remain as rascals. That is, what can be done? This is the difficulty. Otherwise, everything is there. If we take it, even a child can take benefit out of it, a Krishna consciousness that you have seen practical. But we will not take it. That is difficult.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Nita go, Nita go. Nita go, Haribo, Nita go, Haribo. Nita go, Haribo, Nita go, Haribo. Haribo.